How to efficiently realize grain and oil processing. How to get turnkey solutions. How to promote the environment-friendly development of the grain and oil industry. We are committed to providing the advanced solutions for grain and oil mechanical engineering. QIE Group. QIE Group is located in Zhengzhou, the capital city of Henan Province, an important central city of China. QIE is established in 1982, having a high-standard planned processing service center and intelligent manufacturing base. The factory covers about 130,000 square meters land, adopts the world's leading manufacturing technology and highly intelligent manufacturing equipments. We continue to innovate and develop the technology and equipment for pretreatment, solvent extraction, refining, dewaxing, fractionation, and protein further processing, etc., focusing on providing customers integrated solutions for grain and oil engineering machinery planned. Superior designing solution. Exquisite processing technology. Excellent product quality. Professional customer service. QIE Group has established comprehensive cooperation with series of universities and research institutes, achieving Vegetable Oil and Fats Intelligent Production Equipment Engineering Technology Research Center of Henan Province, Oil Refining Engineering Technology Research Center of Zhengzhou City, Oil Refining Technology and Equipment Engineering Research Center of Zhengzhou City. We have more than 60 high-level technical personnel, experts and well-known professors. We have the first and second class pressure vessel manufacturing qualifications, ISO 9001 quality certification and CE certification. We have obtained 200 invention patents, utility model patents and industry software copyrights, etc. We are honored as high-tech enterprise, Henan Specialized Exquisite Unique Innovative Enterprise, Henan E-Commerce Demonstration Enterprise, and National Science and Technology Enterprise, etc. Our technology in vegetable oil processing has always been the international leading level. Adhering to the spirit of craftsmen, focusing on the precision production, QIE Group has always been devoting to develop the grain and oil processing market, including soybean, cottonseed, peanut, sunflower seed, camellia seed, rapeseed, rice bran, palm fruit, walnut, corn germ, shea nut, flaxseed, sesame, copra, castor seed, etc. We have dedicated us to provide overall solutions for customer with intelligent, environmentally friendly, efficient manufacturing and services. 10 to 500 ton per hour oil seeds pre-cleaning, drying, storage section turnkey project. 100 to 5,000 ton per day oil seeds pre-treatment, shelling and pre-pressing workshop turnkey project. 100 to 3,000 ton per day solvent extraction workshop turnkey project. 30 to 1,000 ton per day continuous oil physical chemical refining turnkey project. 10 to 1,000 ton per day dewaxing, fractionation, winterization process turnkey project. Protein further processing turnkey project. QIE Group has always been adhering to customer first, providing customers with all-round design and service. 24-hour after-sales service, which has been global recognized and trusted by customers. QIE Group keeps improving the domestic marketing network, actively implements international strategy. Our projects cover all over China, have reached more than 100 countries and regions around the world. QIE Group trustworthy. Facing the challenges of economic globalization, intelligent manufacturing, and the environment, QIE Group always insists on taking science and technology as orientation, management as the foundation, regarding quality as life and customers as God, upholding integrity, mutual benefit and common prosperity, and great virtue promotes growth. We are committed to be the leading pioneer in the global grain and oil machinery industry, a world-class manufacturing enterprise with sustainable development.